Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this official unboxing video the unboxing of Echo Dot 3rd generation smart speaker with Alexa charcoal fabric. Without further ado, let us get into the video. Before we do that, let's just talk about how much this device cost me from Amazon. £17 out of the 40, which is what the price is now, as you can see on screen. So let's now get into the unboxing video. That is the scissors. Let's just cut into the box itself from the first side, the other side. Put the scissors to the side, rip open the box. And there we go. The product itself is in the packaging. So Echo Dot. Let's move all the other packaging to the side. The star of the show. That's what's on the back, the side, the front, the top of the box, the bottom. Let's now get into the box itself. Get the scissors, cut the top tab, rip that open, and there is the star of the show itself. Echo Dot 3rd generation. Let's now rip the packaging open. And there it is. Echo Dot 3. Let's also get into the box. What else do we have here? And we have a charger to keep this thing on at all the time. Instruction manuals just to tell us how to use the device itself. And there we go. The device, the charger, the box. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial unboxing video. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.